My name is Greg, and I'm a welder. When I came here, it was a sense of pride for me to know that I was welding things that was going to matter for our service people. Pride plays a big role in all the welders here. The guys that I work with in Mark 45 are very, very prideful. We have to put pride into our job, because if we don't, then our job fails and then the servicemen fail. Every welder in here has been qualified on multiple positions, procedures. We have rules to follow, and all of us have taken weld and passed our weld qualifications. So everybody here are really good welders, or they wouldn't be here. We see a problem, we bring it up. I always tell the guys over there, we never want to start out wrong. We always want to be right to start with and carry that on through the whole part. You know, we are the only ones that do this kind of work around here. That's why we have the people that we have to make sure it gets done the right way.